Hello, this is Jason with Zero to Programmer, and today we are finishing up a image video. So I was going to show off a GIF, but I'm actually going to go through that later on. I'm actually going to go through the whole process of making a GIF, and then we can set it as a image in a website, and you can see it as it goes left and right and all that stuff. So we'll take a whole video just to kind of walk you through that. So I'm holding that off, and today we're just going to talk about making an image into a link. So link it, and what we're going to do is link it to my YouTube site. So I've pulled up our little project, and then I've opened it in Notebook, and this is what we've had our last video, what we've done our last video. So actually we're going to space down here, and we're going to start putting in the link tag. So A is actually the tag for a link, but in order for the link to work, you need some attributes. And so this attribute right here is href, which is hyperlink reference, and what that is going to do is it's going to request a URL for the link to go to. And what we're going to do here is I've already had this copied in here, so we're just going to post this, and this is the link to my website or my YouTube channel. Do that, and let's see, from there we're going to close the tag, go under here, and we're going to re-put all this information right here, so we can just copy all that, and just make sure you're on that line there, and paste it. And now that should work right here. So we've already gone through the how to put the image in, but we'll go over it here right now since it's a short video. Alright, so you open the tag, you put in the image element, and then you're going to put in this attribute right here, which is source equals quotations. You're going to put in where your image is located. So I have it in a sub file called Zero to Programmer, and then you're going to / to start looking inside the folder, and then you're going to put in the Zero to Programmer _ icon 01.jpg, which is actually the location inside that folder for the image. Now, once you've closed that off with the quotations, you space over, put in Alt for this attribute. In case something happens and the image does not show up, it will replay this message right here, this Zero to Programmer, and you have to have that in there for the image to work. So, and then you're going to space over and put in your style, and this is like a modifier for your image. You don't need it, but it is recommended, because if not, you're just going to put in whatever size it was saved as when you created the image, or whatever, however you got the image. So you've done the style equals quotations. You're going to put in the width, colon, I put 800 pixels, px, and then semicolon, space, height, colon, 500 pixels, semicolon, quotation end, tag end. Now that is your entire image. This above here that we just put in is your entire link. Now when they're put together like they are now, it will create, let's save here and we'll open it up. It will hopefully create what we want. There we go. And now you can see this is turned to a link, and if I click it, we have gone to my YouTube channel. So that's pretty cool. we are also later on in some other videos we're going to go over, well, actually in my link video, we're going to go over how to, let's say, open this up in a separate tag. Like I have different tags right here. We can actually open it up in a separate tag, or we can open it up in a different window. So there's certain ways to code that in there too. So we're going to try that out next video. Next video is links, full-on links, and that might actually be link video 1 and link video 2. So look out for that, and we're going to close. And yeah, that is how to do links as images. So please remember, if you're watching these videos, to like, subscribe, and share. Also remember that anything I show you in these videos is it's on you, it's on your own risk if you want to try them or not. I'm not responsible for anything that happens. And if you haven't watched my new schedule video with my son, check that out. It's just going to explain that I'm about to start school here in a month, so I want to get on a clear schedule of when I'm doing these videos. And so I'm set right now for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday to do these programming tutorials. And then I actually didn't say this in the video, but Saturdays are going to be my weekly reviews, and then on Tuesdays it will be my blogs. And I have a few other things that I'm thinking about starting to put in to kind of stretch the channel a little bit, but I'm not sure that I want to announce that quite yet. It's still in the works a little bit. So yeah, we're just going to leave it right there, and I will see y'all actually tomorrow, because I'll be doing a weekly review tomorrow. So stay posted for that, and this is Jason with Zero to Programmer, and I'll see you next video.